Alright YouTube guys, I'm using the Silhouette Studio, the Cameo 3. Now I'm going to show you guys how to print into a dark garment heat transfer. Sorry. This is the one I use. I haven't had no issues with it for dark garments heat transfer paper. So what I'm going to do, download any image you want. I'm using this one as an example. So first thing I gotta do is go on the design page, automatic cameo. I switch it to letter, cutting mat. Sorry, we'll leave that there because we're gonna use the mat. So after that, I put the image in there. I go to registration because I'm just gonna cut it off the circle. Style type 2, and usually for the left, top and right, push it all to the left. You'll get these registration marks. So when you put in a cameo, it's gonna read it and it's gonna cut it. It's gonna cut the circle. So say example, I want it right there. I go to open trace window, select trace area, I'll take the high pass off, threshold, try to fill in the circle, and then scale, put it on 4. Trace outer edge. Then you have the circle. So when you put cut settings, this is gonna cut off the circle. But before that, you'll print it. Depends on however you want to use it, material type. I usually put photo matte paper, or you could do auto select. Now there's the paper. You can tell I got the 3 registration marks. And then we're gonna cut it. Alright, so I put the paper on the cutting mat. Time to load it up. Hit load. Go to the computer. And then cut. Set the silhouette the signal, so that's gonna read around the circle and cut it. So it's reading the lower marks. Unload. Alright, when you got it in the corner and just peel it off, notice how the circle that I cut stays in place. So when I'm ready to put in the heat press, I'll just peel it off here, and I'll show you. I'll show you in a bit. Alright, so now I'm gonna peel it off. Okay, there you go. Now usually before you put it on the heat press, I usually like to get this ready. This is gonna go over the paper because once with the heat it starts compressing a little bit. So usually what I do is try to align it right quick. Put the paper over it. This one, now you gotta put the heat press at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 seconds, medium pressure. And when it stops, you gotta wait till it cools down to peel it off the paper slowly. Second one, line, that's good, paper over it. We'll let it cool down. We're gonna check on the other one. Alright, it's cooled down already. So we're just gonna peel it off. Doesn't stick onto it. And there you have it. Second one. Peel it off. Peel it off. Now say usually, sometimes what I learned from my mistake was I used to peel it off right away or peel it after it cools down. And sometimes when you peel it, the paper picture image will still come up a little bit. So usually what I do, I put it back a couple seconds back in the heat press and let it cool down more, then peel it off. Any questions? Message me. Thank you for watching, YouTubers.